Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 E300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath here is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with the luxury line with a luxury exterior and interior 17-inch alloy wheels. A black MB text interior with a natural grain black wood trim. Sunroof. E300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, ambient lighting, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera. Also included is the parking assistance package with the surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, or different parking cameras, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 30,811 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 certified pre-owned E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.